Yo, what's up, guys? This is HumbleFx, and today I'm going to show you another great strategy to trade the boom and crash and every other indices. All right, this is boom 500, as you can see, and I am on a weekly time frame right now, and I am on one position trade. So this is happening right now, and I want to show you guys exact thing that I'm seeing here and what you are actually looking out for. Now, before I proceed on this particular one, please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video is dropped. All right, guys, before we proceed, let me show you guys the last video that we did about crash 300. And we did this analysis on crash 300. I told you guys that I'm expecting market to come down to the level, that level below. It is still there, and market came there straight up. And what is doing now? We are buying, we are buying. Now see that we already 30 pips entry. In fact, I entered late, I entered early enough. I entered at 25.17, and the market spiked up to that 2500, as I said in that video. So if you missed that video, check out this video description. You're going to see the link, or check the comment section, or check on the previous video before this particular video. You will see the video I talked about and I analyze crash 300 on a day time frame for you guys. You see that the market came down to that particular 2500 and do a little drop before it starts to buy. And if you are seeing this video now, you can check also the status of the market now and know if you can take your own entry and also mine from this movement that we're about to get. All right, I dropped the signal on the Telegram channel. Maybe if you want to get signals, first-hand signal for free, you can also check on the video description and also join our Telegram channel for free, and you get our free signals and indicators and robots whenever I drop any of them. Okay, guys, so this is just that about that, which means our setup for yesterday has been activated, and it is doing well. It's already 50 pips in profit if you entered at that particular price I told you guys to enter, which is 2500. All right, guys, now let me start from today's own, which is the boom 500. Yeah, this is the boom 500, and this is the daytime frame. So we talk about top-down analysis. So this particular strategy I'm going to show you here, you're going to use it. This is me trying to analyze the boom 500 for you live and direct on a live trade. So let me go on a weekly time frame. So this is a weekly time frame. Now if I zoom out a bit, or zoom in, I don't know what we call it. If I zoom out here, what am I seeing here that I'm trying looking at? I'm looking at this particular level here and this level here. All right, so now also there are other levels around here which you are not seeing because of the high time frame. You could see those weak rejections. They are also very important, and that is the reason why I'm taking a trade here. Or normally I should wait for this market to come up to this particular place. This is 4600. So that is my weekly psychological level point of interest. So I want it to break a little of here, so it will clear the liquidity in this place. You know, if it clears that liquidity here, that place, I needed a little movements above to that psychological level of 4600. Rather, yeah, I want it to come to 4600 instead. Yeah, this place 4600. That is the ideal entry for boom of 500. So if you're watching this video now, check your chart, watch this video. We are still up to 150 pips ahead before we get that ideal entry. So you can actually enter now with smaller size and keep holding it until if markets decide to go up again, then you close your trade and wait for it to hit up. But for now, I expect the market to go down a bit because of what I'm going to talk about very soon in this video. So I'm looking at this. If I go down, if I go to my left side, I'm seeing where the market is. Look at all these things here. All of these things is one of the things that is making me to take this trade at this particular point in time, even though it has not reached my actual ideal entry. Because of this rejection, this is the supply zone. That's the zone, okay? That is actually the zone on the supply zone. So for me to check on a weekly time frame, I'm seeing that on a week time frame, I have the market on a supply zone, okay? So I'm not hoping for a long trade right here. I'm not hoping for a very long trade in this particular trade, because it has not hit the actual entry which I want to hit here. It has to clear this area here, area of interest here. It has to go above it, a little bit above it. All right, now let us go down to daily time frame, D1. Remember, we are doing a top-down analysis. Now on a D1, I'm seeing that the market is showing an uptrend scenario here. You could see the movement here, all these movements is showing an uptrend scenario. But because it is a day-one time frame, a daily time frame, I should expect market to come down a little bit before another impulsive movement. So that's why I'm in for that trade. Why am I saying that? If I should zoom out of this particular trade, I'm going to see another week. You can see this week here, we have 2 weeks here above here. Those are weeks that I'm wanting the market to respect. All right, that is what the market is trying to respect now, those levels. Okay, so before the market will break out of that level, there has to be a movement downside before, and that is what I'm trying to take advantage of right now. Okay, so now let us go down again to a lower time frame. Maybe let me say 4-hour time frame, and let's see what's going on there. Now on 4-hour time frame, here I have the same scenario here. I don't know if I should call this a little divergence. Okay, now I had a high here. Now I had a break of it, which is to clear the liquidity of that particular place. So I expect market to come down a little bit, at least to this point, then another shoot up again, another impulsive movements. Reason why I entered that trade. Okay, now let us check more. Now I'm going down to M15 or 5-minute time frame. If I go down to M15, now I'm seeing something very clearer. That is even why this sell scenario that I entered should be valid at some point. Now let me analyze much more on this M15, so you see better what I'm talking about. At this point, I'm going to bring my box, okay, and I'll place my box somewhere here. I bet you are seeing what I'm talking about here. So this is a level that is actually taking care of the left swing, the right swing, then it is a swing high. I have a swing high already. I have a left and right swing. So what do I expect from market to do? I expect market to come down at least maybe somewhere here, and then either it goes down or it shoots up backward. But that same movement has to be done before the buy scenario continues to happen. All right, so guys, why did I even consider it in this place? You could see what happened there. There are lots of rejections here. There are lots of rejections happening in this swing left or right. You see a lot of rejections happen a lot of chunks movement happening there before it now decided to start to sell and all that. So that's one of the reasons I have the entry placed in that place, and I'm going to hold it for maybe 3 to 5 pips. Let me just check how many pips I'm going to hold it for. If I should hold it, I should hold it up to this point about 30 pips or so. About 30 pips or so should give me something reasonable. All right, and if it breaks down here, if it breaks this level, we are going down to this other level here, which is 4400, about 50 pips. That is somewhere here. That's about 50 pips. That's not a small movement if it moves to that point. All right, so that is what I'm talking about. Now on the 15, on M15, we already gotten that this thing has a swing high and a swing left. Already formed a swing left and already formed a swing right. So we expect it to sell to some extent. Okay, now for you that scalp, a scalper should go down to M5 or M5 like this. yes, it is still clearly like the M15. This also showing the same formation with the M15. Now you can also go down to M1, which is the 1 minute time frame for scalpers most time. Now you could see what is happening here on the 1 minute time frame. The market already break down here, so it came up again to retest this level that you see here. Now we are going down again, like we are going down again. So right, that is just the analysis I'm seeing right about here. That is it. And now we are back to profit, even though the crash is still spiking small, but we are certain that we are going somewhere. All right, guys. So this is just a simple trading strategy, top-down analysis that we did on the same thing we did on the crash 300. We are doing here on the boom 500. So it's the same scenario. All you need to do is to spot the point of interest, spot it very well, mark your levels, and go down to lower time frame to see actual what is happening right there, and you are good to go. Before I take this entry, I had done these things. I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I did before I took that entry. All right, so you can also do it on other pairs, boom 1000, in the volatility indices 75, and so many other indices. Okay, so that is actually how you analyze the markets and take your nice entry. So please guys, if you like this video, you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button, also turn on the bell notification and subscribe as well, and also comment please leave comment in the comment section, and I'll be there. I'll attend to you. If you have any question about the setup or the analysis here, you can also always ask the question on the comment section, and I will attend to you as soon as I can. Or you can send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and I also attend to you also as soon as I can. All right, guys, see you in the next video, and don't forget to watch out for the main entry at 4600. So always put that in a checklist. When market get there, we are going to sell hard. Yeah, we're going to sell, yes, and all that. So, and also crash 500, crash 300 is still in progress. If you watch the video and you see this analysis, go check your own crash. Maybe you will still see an entry position there, even though there are still something like a divergence here, like a divergence is happening here already on the date, on the 1 week time frame. So it's also another confirmation that this is going to be a good buy for us. So don't miss out of this movement because of anything. Don't allow it slide you. Enjoy and take full responsibility of your trades. Alright guys, see you in the next video. I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.